Moses was a wee baby boy. His mother loved him and held him close. His father loved him and patted his fat cheeks. Sister Miriam loved him and sang him happy songs. Little brother loved him and tickled his tiny toes. Never was a baby more loved than baby Moses. The king where Moses lived was a wicked man. He said to his helpers, "Throw all the baby boys into the river." "Oh no, no," said mother and held baby Moses closer. "We'll never let anyone throw our baby into the river," said father. "No, never, never," said Miriam. Little brother shook his head, "No." "We'll hide our baby," said mother. But baby Moses didn't like to be hidden away all day. He cried and cried. Miriam was afraid the king's men would hear. "Shh, shh, baby Moses," she whispered, but she cried louder. "Oh, what can we do?" asked Miriam. "We'll make a basket boat for baby Moses and hide him in the rushes at the river's edge," said mother. They wove a tight little basket and painted it with pitch to keep it from leaking. Mother put a soft pillow in it. She laid baby Moses on the soft pillow. Early in the next morning, so early little brother was not yet awake. Mother and Miriam took the little boat with baby Moses in it down to the river. They floated it on the water. Two rushes kept the basket boat from floating away. Mother left Miriam to watch while she went home and prayed God to keep her baby safe. The sun shone warm. The soft breezes blew. The water rocked the little boat. Baby Moses liked to be rocked. He fell fast asleep. Miriam hid in the bushes by the river. She watched the basket boat as it rocked to and fro on the water, but listened, someone was coming. Oh, 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 it was the king's daughter and her maids coming to bath in the river. Would she see the little boat? Would she throw the baby Moses? Would she throw baby Moses into the river? The king's daughter came closer and closer. She stopped at the river's edge and pointed to the little boat. "Go," she said to her maid. "Go, bring the basket to me." The king's daughter raised the cover. "Oh, what a lovely baby," she said. "I want him for my very own." Miriam came running. She made a little bow to the king's daughter. "Shall I get a nurse for the baby?" "Yes," said the king's daughter. "Go find a nurse to take care of the baby for me." Miriam bowed again, and then she ran home as fast as she could go. "Mother! Mother! Come, come! The king's daughter found baby Moses. She wants a nurse for him. She likes her baby. She won't let anyone throw him into the river." Mother and Miriam hurried to the river. There stood the king's daughter holding baby Moses. He was afraid of the strange lady. "Take this baby and nurse him for me. I will pay you wages," said the king's daughter. Mother held out her arms for the baby. Baby Moses smiled and held up his hands. The king's daughter said to Mother, "Keep the baby for me until he is a big boy. Mother took baby Moses and started up the path. She was happy to be taking her baby home. Now she wouldn't have to hide him anymore. Miriam was so happy. She skipped and sang. Baby Moses laughed and cooed. He was happy too. Father and little brother were waiting for them. Little brother jumped up and down and waved. When all were safely in their home again, they all kneeled in prayer around baby Moses' cradle. Father and mother, Miriam and little brother, "Thank you, God," prayed Father. "Thank you for keeping our baby safe." If you like this video, just share to your friends.